Hello everyone and welcome. I'm going to attempt an open package open lock with this Protect 40mm brass steel hardened shackle padlock. Come on, hand work. There we go. I've never heard of this brand. It's got 3 keys. Put that over there. Oh dear. You just gotta love that kind of bidding. Nice, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That can't be right. 40mm with a 5-pin? That's not. It doesn't say, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I'm not mistaken. Well, we'll soon find out. Sure is very possible to stick a 5-pin core in here. Oh, that sounded nice. Nice click. Key's a little rough, but not bad. Well, maybe I'll have a go in hand first. Grab the old faithful reliable 40. Grab the good old faithful covered instrument standard flat hook. And let's get picking. Let's see if I can pull this off. Back pin, a 5th pin, if it is 5, it feels springy. Go past that one. Maybe I should try it in the vise. Yeah, let's try it in the vise. I'm just not getting a feel for it yet. Yeah, I'm getting a better feel for it now. Who's blowing up my Discord? Damn it, Junkie, is that you? Just kidding, bro. I know it's you. Yeah, it's a 5-pinner, all right. We'll start at the front. Oh, we got some movement there. Got a bunch of cruncher going on here. Got a Snickers bar? We may be here a while. You like watching me struggle? It's fun, isn't it? Got it. Oh, yeah. Babe. Babe.
Yes.
Got it.
Woohoo!
This takes care of the letter P for my A to Z brass padlock alphabet.
Congratulations.
Oh, yeah. And this is all the way from halfway around the world from my buddy Dog Pickin' Locksport. And this is an OPOL.
Wow.
Yeah, baby. Feeling good today. Sorry for the long video, but hey, man. Thanks for coming along for the ride. That's an OPOL. Hell yeah. Real happy about that. Like I said, that takes care of the letter P. One more letter down. Oh, yeah. Thanks for stopping by and visiting me for a while. I really appreciate it. I want you all to have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.